The first nurse in the U.S. to test positive for Ebola after caring for a Texas patient has arrived at a special treatment facility in Maryland. 26-year-old Nina Pham, seen here prior to her departure from Texas, battled tears but appeared to be in good spirits.
Come to Maryland, everybody.
Party Maryland.
Pham will receive treatment inside the National Institute of Health's Special Isolation Unit in Bethesda, Maryland, one of a handful of facilities in the U.S. equipped to handle Ebola cases. Pham is one of two nurses who became infected while treating the first Ebola patient in the U.S., Thomas Eric Duncan, who died at a Dallas hospital last week. A second nurse, Amber Vinson, was moved from Dallas to Emory University Hospital in Atlanta for treatment Wednesday. Prior to receiving her Ebola diagnosis, Vincent had flown from Dallas to Cleveland, Ohio. CDC officials have received some flack for giving her clearance to make her return flight to Dallas Monday, despite knowing she had an elevated temperature before boarding. As an extra precaution, CNN says Frontier Airlines, the airline she used, reached out to 800 passengers who either boarded Vincent's flights or flew on subsequent flights with that exact plane. Still, the CDC reportedly says there's an extremely low risk for anyone who was on board her flight from Cleveland to Dallas to have contracted Ebola. At any rate, in addition to the airline reaching out to travelers, the agency is contacting all 132 passengers on that return flight to check on their condition. For Newsy, I'm Jay Struberg.